Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Honda CR-V with a dead battery. First, carefully remove the hidden physical key from your remote fob. Next, find the keyhole, usually discreetly placed on the driver's side door handle. Insert the key fully and turn it clockwise to manually unlock the door. This simple step gets you inside without needing any power from the car's battery, allowing you to proceed with further steps. Once inside your CR-V, the next step is to open the hood. Look for the hood release lever, typically found on the lower left side of the driver's footwell, and pull it firmly. Then, move to the front of the vehicle and locate the secondary safety latch, usually under the center of the hood's edge. Push this latch to release the hood completely, then lift it and secure it open using the prop rod. Now, let's prepare for the jump start. First, position a working vehicle with a charged battery close enough to your CR-V so the jumper cables can reach easily. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off to prevent any electrical surges. Take one red jumper cable and connect one clamp securely to the positive terminal of your CR-V's dead battery. This is the terminal marked with a plus sign. To complete the connections, attach the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working car's battery. Next, connect one black clamp to the negative terminal of the working car's battery. Finally, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your CR-V away from the battery. Start the working vehicle, let it run for a few minutes, then try starting your Honda CR-V. It should now have enough power to start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.